not in my radar?
Yeah, because
What
you're
is the
not giving me
problem?
time. You
don't like what Colonel Shailendra Singh is telling you?
Colonel Shailendra, I have huge respect for Colonel Shailendra, but I think he really needs some enlightenment. Whatever Imran Khan has done in Pakistan, let me tell you, let me assure you, he has given a thought, a new political thought to people of Pakistan. The evidence is that 4 people you have invited from Pakistan, they are accepting it. They are accepting his influence in Pakistan. Let me tell you, the next election is not going to be amongst the parties. It is going to be either you are an Imranist or you are a non-Imranist. This is a new ideology that has erupted in Pakistan. And let me enlighten you, sir. Pakistan has introduced health card system in Pakistan. You must know about it, that there is health insurance in Pakistan. If you talk about health, let me enlighten you that Pakistan was a country which was hailed by the organizations, the world organizations, about being brilliant when it comes to COVID. We have countered COVID. And let me tell you that if we talk about Imran Khan, why are you so concerned about Imran Khan? Why are you so concerned about Imran Khan? 1 minute, Raja, 1 minute, Raja. The only reason is,
Raja, have you finished? Raja, have you finished?
In February 2019, and smacked you back. This is what he did.
Raja, 1 minute, Raja, calm down. Raja, calm down and listen to me. Why are you worried about taking my answer? Now cool down for a little bit, let me tell you. Imranist, he says. Imranist, 1 minute. Sushant Suri is on the debate. He's an Imranist. You should be ashamed of yourself for calling yourself an Imranist, because what you're basically trying to say is that what you want to be is a mouthpiece of China. Shame on you. Shame on you out there. Shame on you. You want to be a mouthpiece of China? You want to be a mouthpiece of China? Imran Khan says, no, 1 minute. Wait a minute, you Imranist. You're an Imranist. Let me counter the